Hi there, it's Trisha, and I want to go over the trades that set up today for April 1st, 2009, Wednesday, sorry, I'm a day behind. Anyway, we used two trade setups using a longer tick chart and a smaller tick chart, and we do use three charts with indicators for confirmation before ever getting into a trade, and you can check those out at www.easyminitrade.com. So this is a trade that actually set up at 10:35.53, so just about 10:36. We actually have price going down, indicator going slightly higher, make it so you can see it, and we have our squeeze firing off, our lower indicators in alignment, and this is the bar that it's setting up on here, so we're above both moving averages. Our indicator on this chart is in alignment, and our trend indicator is in alignment over here, so we're good to go. I actually got in a little early. This bar was not exactly closed over that moving average, but it was very close. This bar actually closed at 10:36, I think, 03, so it was very close to being closed, and I decided to take the chance. The bar countdown was telling me that it was almost closed, so I decided to take that. So I got in at 794.25, and price moved up nicely and just kept moving my stop. I trailed it out, moving my stop. So I got my +2, my +4, and then trail stopped out. I moved my stop under here and got stopped out over here for a gain of 350 on that final lot. So that trade worked out nicely. This was a trade that actually set up at just about noon. It was 11:59.21, and I actually left. I left at 11:45 or thereabouts. And most of you know that we're doing the trial for the trading room, and so many of the people that were in there actually got that, because when I came back, they were telling me about it, so I'm glad that they were able to spot that on their own. So we have price going down, indicator going higher. This indicator's fine. We have a long firing off here. So they would have got in over here somewhere, would have got filled over here. And what I would have done if I was trading this, I would have been trailing my stop, of course. But when I would have seen this, you have price moving higher and the indicator moving lower, that would have been a sign to get out, because chances are the price is going to go lower. And let me just see on this chart here where we're at, and this is actually the bar that it's set up on our longer tick chart. And above our head we did have enough room. That was the high from yesterday, so there really was enough room for them to take that trade, so that was a good trade. And you can see that there was a pullback, so that's what this was over here, and this was like I said, a good indication that the price was going to go lower. So that's what we did today. There were a couple trades that looked like they were going to set up later in the day, but they didn't fit our criteria, so we passed. And if you'd like to check that out, you can check those setups out at www.easyminitrade.com.